Right, today's walk, I'm up at Crossroads and going over to Cullingworth, and I think I've found my walk. Look, Senior Way. I'm going to go up this little snicket here. All cobbles again. Somebody spent time putting them down. Now, I'm not sure if you can see this, but through those trees there's an old railway tunnel, Cullingworth Railway Tunnel. It's all blocked up now and all overgrown, and there's no sign of any track or anything, but yeah, what a thing to find. I just got a little bit further, still on the walk towards Cullingworth, and there's a mill pond here, but no sign of a mill, and a little track that just wanders off down there. Look, it's lovely. Look at that, eh? We've got those rushes there all exploding the seeds everywhere, and we've got a goose on the water, and this yellow thing that's in right hand corner is a bit of a boat. So there must be somebody that must go paddling out and doing a bit of fishing somewhere. But it's so peaceful. Now, walked up through Cullingworth, and now we're on the little river. We're going to have a look at Goit Stock Waterfalls, but just a lovely little weir in front of me. That just looks, yeah, it looks grand with the water and the light. Right, finally know where I am now. It comes out at Halifax Mills, Cullingworth. So that's where I am at the minute. Now, just listen to that, eh? You cuckoo. So I finished the walk down Harden Beck, got out by the malt shovel at Harden, came up the road, and now heading across on a footpath, come out Hainworth top eventually, I guess, somewhere up by Guide. Now we're getting towards the end of the walk now, so come from Hainworth and down across Halifax Road to where Damems station is. This must be one of the smallest, quaintest little stations that I've ever seen. It's on the Worth Valley line, so how good is that? There we go. Could be the smallest railway station in the country, Damems station.